everyone, in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to make a short video in Canva. Let's begin. Start by opening Canva and in the search bar, type short. Select a suitable template from the search results. Click to open the template. Then click on Customize this template. To change the video, go to Upload. Click on Upload Files to upload your video. Next, click on the video file and drag it to replace the existing video in the template. Double-click on text boxes to edit the text as needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Customize the template content according to your preferences. Then, go to Share, click on Download. Choose the MP4 file type for your video. Click on Download to save your video. And there you have it. Your short video is now ready in Canva. Thank you for watching.